pineal gland, we discussed with it. It's a biological clock. Melatonin is secreted. Melatonin regulates the 24 hours activity occurring inside our body, and that's why we have labeled it as a biological clock. Clear? It helps in maintaining the normal rhythm of the sleep-wake cycle, body temperature. In addition to melatonin, it influences the metabolism, pigmentation, and the menstrual cycle, as well as our defense capability. Okay, so menstrual cycle is affected by pineal gland also, as well as hormonal imbalance. Okay, fine. Now, next topic, thyroid gland. Thyroid gland, it is situated besides the trachea on the both the sides of the trachea, or we say that laterally to the trachea in the throat region. So head region is over. We have discussed 3 glands in the head region. Now we are discussing the 2 glands in the throat. Fine? Thyroid and parathyroid. Here, in the thyroid gland, two lobes. Okay, in thyroid gland, 2 lobes. The 2 lobes of the thyroid gland are connected together by the isthmus. Okay, very thin connection is shown in the figure. Can you understand what is isthmus? This one. This line. Connection, transverse one. Right? So, on the both side of the trachea, thyroid gland is there and it is connected by the transverse line known as isthmus. And just see, this is the front view. Above diagram is the front view of the neck region, and below diagram is the back view behind the thyroid gland. So behind the thyroid gland, each lobe of the thyroid gland consists 2 parathyroid glands. Okay, that we will discuss it later. Not right now. So the thyroid gland consists 2 lobes, and 2 lobes are connected together by the isthmus. not given. It is largest endocrine gland of the body. C. Largest salivary gland, largest gland, and largest endocrine gland. Both are different. Largest salivary gland is parotid.
Yes.
Right? Mumps. Parotid. Largest gland of the body is liver.
Yes.
And largest salivary gland. अच्छा, અને largest exocrine भी તમે liver કહી શકો છો. Liver exocrine because it secretes the bile juice. Right? So this is the largest endocrine gland. For activation or for activity of the thyroid gland, iodine is very essential. Now listen carefully. We take iodized salt. Okay. Salt consists NaCl. NaCl, it is used at so many places inside our body. You know, sodium, potassium, pump, chloride, pump. In the blood we have sodium ion, chloride ion, sodium chloride molecule. These all are minerals. But question is this: if we take the iodine inside our body, where it is stored? Answer is there in the thyroid gland. Iodine is stored at no other place. Only and only it is stored in the thyroid gland to activate. So activity of the thyroid gland is, for that iodine is very essential. એટલે આજથી ઘણા બધા વર્ષો પહેલા નોર્મલ સોલ્ટ જે છે એ માર્કેટમાં અવેલેબલ હતી. અત્યારે તમને એક વસ્તુ ખ્યાલ છે, ગોઈટર. આઈ એમ જસ્ટ રાઈટ નાઉ ટોકિંગ અબાઉટ ધી ગોઈટર. Goiter is nothing but the
Deficiency of iodine.
enlargement of the thyroid gland caused by deficiency of the iodine. And that's why nowadays the salt is formed in factory, iodine molecules are added, modification occur in that, and iodized salt is available in all over the India. And nowadays at some places goitering can be seen, but in the very rare case. Goiter is mostly eradicated from India, but in some areas non-iodized salts can be used there, so there is a more chance to get the goiter in the future. Fine? So, just let me discuss with that topic. Deficiency of iodine in the body cause simple goiter. Okay? Sir, goiter તો સાંભળ્યું છે. તમે સિમ્પલ હું કામ લગાવ્યું? બીકોઝ હું હમણાં વાત કરવાનો છું એક્ઝોથેલેમિક goiter. હા, આજે હું તમને ડિટેલમાં થાઇરોઇડ ગ્લેન્ડ એક્સપ્લેન કરવાનો છું. And at that place, exothalamic goiter is there. That's why I written here simple goiter. સિમ્પલ ગોઈટરમાં તમે નેટ ઉપર ગૂગલ ઇમેજમાં સર્ચ કરજો, તમને એવું લાગતું હશે કે ગોઈટર આટલી લઈને એમના જ થાય છે, એવું નથી. ગોઈટર ઇઝ elongated this much. Okay, you search this image. This image is available in Google. You search that, see that, and tomorrow you tell me. This much elongated thyroid gland is there. One lady photograph is there. Okay. Yes, but along with that, in so many patients, little bit thyroid lobes are enlarged and enlarged in the throat region. Fine. So for activation of this, it is essential. Now, abnormalities or error. 2. Hypothyroidism means less secretion of the thyroid hormones. ક્યોર નથી કરી શકાતું, બટ જો કોઈ પર્સનને થાઇરોઇડ હોર્મોન્સ કે વધારે સિક્રિટ થતા હોય, લેસ સિક્રિટ થતા હોય તો થાઇરોઇડ સ્ટિમ્યુલેટિંગ હોર્મોન TSH ની જનરેટ આપી છે. મેજોરિટી હાઇપોથાઇરોઇડિઝમ છે. Hypothyroidism is treated by administration of the TSH tablets. બરાબર, બાકી હાઇપરનો કોઈ ટ્રીટમેન્ટ પોસિબલ નથી. થાઇરોઇડ ગ્લેન્ડ નીકાળી દેવાનો, બીકોઝ એ અધર મેટાબોલિક એરર્સ ક્રિએટ કરે. હજી તમને ખાલી ગોઈટરની જ ખબર છે. હજુ તમે થાઇરોઇડનો હમણાં કહીશ ને તો તમે વિચારતા થઈ જશો કે આટલા બધા ફંક્શન છે. આજે એ જ ડિસ્કસ કરીએ. થાઇરોઇડ કમ્પ્લીટ થઈ જાય પછી તમને આઈડિયા આવશે કે એકચ્યુઅલી એના કેટલા ફંક્શન છે. હજી તમને એનો મેઇન રોલ જ નથી ખબર. જો ધીમે ધીમે સ્ટડી કરો, મજા આવશે. સી, from the thyroid gland, 3 hormones are secreted according to the iodine molecules number. According to the number of iodine molecules, the name is given there. Triiodothyronine is known as T3. In the 3 molecules of iodine are there. Tetra. हमने कहा था ना मोनो डाई ट्राई टेट्रा पेंटा हेक्सा ऑक्टा नैनो tetra iodothyronine in that 4 iodine molecules are there. It is also known as thyroxine, and another third hormone is known as thyrocalcitonin. Let us discuss it in detail by one. Here the main hormone is thyroxine here. Okay, what happened? The thyroxine is the main hormone known as T4. So if thyroxine is used, so T3 is converted into T4. T3 is converted into T4. So you think about that T3 is already there. So T3 is converted into T4. For that one, another iodine molecule is required there. And that's why for activation of the thyroxine hormone, iodine is essential there. Okay, now I can tell you the 3 diseases here. 3 things, right? See, let us discuss with this. Hypothyroidism in pregnant lady cause cretinism in her embryo. What do you mean by cretinism? See, it is given there. Deficiency of the iodine in our diet result in hypothyroidism and enlargement of the thyroid gland commonly called as goiter. And here that word is simple goiter. Hypothyroidism during pregnancy. જો હવે ત્યાંથી સાંભળજો. જો પ્રેગ્નન્ટ લેડી થાઇરોઇડ હોર્મોન્સ આયોડિન ના લે, if pregnant lady cannot take iodine or due to any reason anterior pituitary gland is affected, thyroid stimulating hormone is not secreted. Okay, so due to any reason, if thyroid hormone is not secreted in pregnant lady, deficiency cause defective development and maturation of the growing, they be leading to આ criticism માં શું થાય ધ્યાન દીધો છો stunted growth is retarded month wise જે growth થવો જોઈએ એ નહીં થાય બરોબર mental retardation mental development is poor low intelligence quotient less IQ understand એટલે particularly age wise જે mental development થવું જોઈએ એ નહીં થાય IQ is always less mostly abnormal skin texture skin phenomena properties are altered any type of these skin deformities occur in that deep mutation deafness બરાબર જન્મથી જ બેરા મૂકા થઈ ગયા એટલે એજ વાઇઝ જે ચાઇલ્ડ છે એ બોલવાનું સ્ટાર્ટ કરે ને 6-8 મહિના 12 મહિના થાય એટલે કોઈ ચાઇલ્ડ છે એ બોલવાનું સ્ટાર્ટ કરે ટ્રાય કરે બરોબર તો એનો ડેફનેસ બરાબર હિયરિંગ લોસ હા ફ્રોમ બર્થ since birth okay etc this many symptoms are seen clear everyone so might be sometime two more question is that explain cretinism ત્યારે આટલું 3-4 લાઈન લખવાનું થાય ઓકે બટ આપણે MCQ માટે પ્રિપેર કરવાનું છે સો પ્રેગ્નન્ટ લેડી જો એનામાં થાઇરોઇડ ગ્લેન્ડ ડિઝીઝ હોય બરાબર તોય પ્રોબ્લેમ એવું નથી કે પિટ્યુટરી ગ્લેન્ડ પ્રોબ્લેમ ઇઝ ધેર સપોઝ કોઈ લેડી છે એને પહેલેથી થાઇરોઇડનો કોઈને કોઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ છે અને પ્રેગ્નન્ટ થાય છે તો એના બેબીમાં ક્રિટિનિઝમ થવાની પોસિબિલિટી ખરી ઓકે સો ડ્યુરિંગ પ્રેગ્નન્સી થાઇરોઇડ ગ્લેન્ડ liver kidney okay all these important organs are very important for normal growth and development of the embryo okay so cretinism you remember that most common question okay હવે instead of pregnant lady I can write here mature lady mature woman or woman simple word hypothyroidism in woman cause irregularity in menstrual cycle. Okay? So generally we think about that menstrual cycle is only related to the estrogen and progesterone level, but other glands also regulate the menstrual cycle activity. So previously we had learned with that pineal gland, and here if thyroid hormones are less secreted in woman, fine, so cause the irregularity in the menstrual cycle. Right? Okay. If due to any reason cancer occur in the thyroid gland, if due to any reason cancer occurs in the thyroid gland, cause more secretion of the thyroxine hormone, and this condition is known as hyperglycemia. Hyperthyroidism. So now these two abnormal things for the hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism in the pregnant lady, but remember that cretinism cannot occur in the pregnant lady. Oh? Don't do that mistake. Cretinism occurs in her embryo due to hypothyroidism in the pregnant lady. That's why written here like this. Okay, ઘણી વખત એમ કે hypothyroidism in the pregnant lady cause the cretinism in lady. No, wrong. Okay, and hypothyroidism in woman cause irregular menstrual cycle. Then hyperthyroidism in adult person causes this much goiter is there. Okay, and now I can show you the image of the exothalamic goiter also. See, okay, I'm going to see. This is the simple goiter. First I have shown you the simple goiter. Why? Because now next I can show you the exothalamic goiter. Then you can differentiate that what is simple goiter and exothalamic goiter. Huh? Due to heaviness. Surgical removal. Deficiency ના લીધે એટલા માટે બને કારણ કે જે આયોડિન છે એ થાઇરોઇડ ગ્લેન્ડ ફંક્શન કરે છે. એટલે thyroid gland abnormally secrete the hormones, other hormones abnormally discharge secreted or no secretion leads to metabolic disorder inside the body. એવું નથી, because in the body all the glands are attached to the nervous system in the synchronized manner. So it induces the abnormal cell division in the thyroid cells. As a result, each and every segment in the thyroid gland become enlarged, and this much. This will happen. Now I can show you the exothalamic goiter. What is that? See, This one. Come. I can show you the one image. Okay? Don't take it easy. But in the exothalamic goiter, the person's blood pressure becomes much more higher. Bleeding comes through eyes. Wait, I can show you. I have that image. ઘણી વખત તમે એવું મૂવીઝમાં ને એમાં જોતા હશો કે આઈસમાંથી બ્લડ બહાર આવે, હોરર મૂવીમાં જોતા હશો. It is naturally true in the exothalamic goiter. And eyeball, the white portion of the eyeball become much more reddish in color. Fine, and eyeball protrude, comes out from the orbit and look like this. Okay, wait, if I can open it, I can show you. Okay, these all the images are available. Indirectly. See, this one. This is the Graves' disease. Highly infected. If you are able to see, this is after. And sometimes this will happen also. Okay? This will happen also. Both the eyes. See, these all are images of the exothalamic goiter. obtained in this? One image of the adult person from eyes, blood comes out. Okay, that is exothalamic goiter in that. Right. So here in the exothalamic goiter, enlargement of the thyroid glands, protrusion of the eyeball comes out. How it looks like? You are shown that increased basal metabolic rate and weight loss, and along with that you write that increase the heart rate in Graves' disease. Now, the normal functions of the thyroid gland are control the basal metabolic rate, see, basal metabolic rate means per day we require the energy to do the work. So, adult to female require 2000 to 2500 kilocalories per day. Adult male required 2500 to 3000 kilocalorie energy per day. And workers require greater than 3500 kilocalories per day to do the heavy activity. So this is about the basal metabolic rate. Basal metabolic rate means the amount of the energy required per day to do the activities. Okay, so thyroid hormones play a very important role in regulation of the basal metabolic rate. Then this hormone also support the process of red blood cell formation. RBC formation, it is also known as erythropoiesis. Okay, regulates erythropoiesis, formation of the RBCs. It regulates the metabolism of the carbohydrate, fat and protein, maintenance of the water and electrolyte balance in the body. Okay? In other words, we say that osmoregulation. Okay? So, this is about the thyroid hormone function. And the last point, I can complete this, and this topic is over. Just a minute. Thyrocalcitonin TCT thyrocalcitonin decrease the blood calcium level. Decrease the blood calcium level, but listen carefully, understand it. By decrease the calcium level in our blood, with the help of this calcium, bone and teeth cells are formed. So it stimulates the bone forming cells known as osteoblasts. Okay, so it is the positive mechanism. Reduce the blood calcium level. If you know that if the calcium level is much more higher, blood clotting occurs. So if the calcium level in the blood will be higher, then this thyrocalcitonin decrease this blood calcium level and make our teeth and bones strong. And that's why I written here that thyrocalcitonin stimulates the osteoblast. Osteoblast means bone forming cells to form the bones, bone cell and teeth cell. So this is about the thyroid gland. Fine, here I can stop.